والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Who believe in what has been revealed to you and what was revealed before you and have firm faith in the hereafter.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Such are on true guidance from their Lord. Such are the truly successful.
إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
As for those who have rejected these truths, it is all the same whether or not you warn them, for they will not believe.
ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Allah has sealed their hearts and their hearing, and a covering has fallen over their eyes. They deserve severe chastisement.
ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين.
There are some who say, we believe in Allah and in the last day, while in fact they do not believe.
يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
They are trying to deceive Allah and those who believe, but they do not realize that in truth they are only deceiving themselves.
في قلوبهم